seeing the latest, the greatest, everything there is to see in any aspect. I mean, from suppliers to products to equipment.
Keeps everybody in the know. It kind of keeps up competition. You get to see a lot of cool different things that maybe you hadn't thought of before. Opens up new possibilities for your company.
It's been wonderful. It's amazing how many vendors are under one roof. There are fleet aspects here for me, but then also companies who make the parts for the complex machinery that we're responsible for that I can buy direct. If this is an industry you're a part of, this is a must-attend show.
You end up seeing like this full breadth of solutions that are making their lives better, workplace safer. So being at the forefront of all the innovation that's coming forward, it gives you great conversation opportunity to see what's happening, and as like a utility KDM, understand what benefits you can bring back to your company too.
I think being able to get everybody together, we can kind of share our industry knowledge and look at the up and coming equipment, what's coming down the pike, so that way we can be better prepared whenever they get here. I think it's super crucial, and I think it's something that everybody would benefit being a part of.
We love it here. We've met so many different vendors and so many different good people at the Utility Expo to talk to and get to meet, so that's probably what brings us back every year.